Welcome to SITOP Techies. We're back with another video. Today, an unboxing of the PSU6200, today in 5 amps. So I have the device right here, and let's get started. As always, I like to start with the product label because there's just a ton of information to see on that, and we can really get a feel for what's in the box to get started. So if we look very closely on our box, what we see there is, of course, immediately a description, power supply, PSU6200. Important is perhaps the fact that I have an AC input of 120 to 230 volts or a DC input from 120 to 240 volts. Now that's a feature of the 6200, that we have the ability to use DC or AC inputs in one device. Additionally, you see that the output, 24 volts, 5 amps. So right away I know which device I have in front of me. The MLFB, the order number is on there listed as well, and the serial number. And now that's always an important feature for our customers because they can see right on the product packaging which product they're going to build into their application, allowing them to track it in their quality, which products I built into for my specific customers. Additionally, we add our manufacturing date as well, so you can see exactly when it was produced from us. And on the bottom, we always like to, or we do show all the international approvals. Now that's something we're always really proud of because we cover so many markets. As a global company, we want to make sure our customers can also reach globally. And we see here, for instance, USA, the CSA stamp, EAC, and so forth. So it really is something that you can use as leverage in your business to ship and approach global customers. But enough from the label, let's actually take a look at the product. So what's nice is we have a new kind of a really simple packaging. So right away we have our operating manual. Now this is a super important document. I'd like to really always kind of recommend customers to take the time to read it through because it gives you all the information you need in order to install this device right away. Of course, we have expanded information online, but it gives you all the necessary safety precautions, also the electrical requirements needed for this product. So if not now, you can read it online separately. If we see the product here, so nice and protected, I'll just put this packaging to the side. What's really kind of right away you can notice is wonderful and a very pristine metal housing. So with the 5 ampere device, you can mount this device shoulder to shoulder onto other devices. And it's approved up to 120% its nominal current with shoulder to shoulder mounting. So that's really kind of a unique feature we have on the market for this product. And on the front, I'll go through some of what we see here. So we have our DC output. There we have a double terminal layout. We have 2 positive and 3 negative terminals. Really an advantage, a small point for our customers when working with self or PELF networks, that you have the additional negative point. We also have our DC OK terminal. That means we have the ability to connect this and link this into a PLC or any kind of automation network to understand, okay, how is my power supply doing, and is the input power into my device also working? We have the ability to range the voltage, let me look here quickly, between 24 and 28 volts. Now this is important to maybe compensate for long cable lengths. And at the bottom we have our AC input. Now a small point is we also have a QR code on the front. And that's really handy because we can actually use the Siemens Industry online support app to pull up technical information about this product immediately. So if you're in an application, you can immediately say, okay, I need to know additional information, and you have it on your cell phone directly. We also have, I think I overlooked that, we have also the DC OK LED at the top right there, on your top left. So that kind of wraps up the first intro to the PSU6200. I can only recommend you take some more time to investigate more online or order one yourself.